Hi, my name is Leslie Herr, and I will be the instructor for CIS 145, the online class, Microsoft Access. And I'm happy to give you an introduction, a really quick introduction today, and then I will also create some other videos to help introduce you to this course. So this is kind of what I want to go over in the first video. I want to just briefly mention about the newsfeed, and I'll get into that in a little bit more detail in another video. I want to just talk about the syllabus and give you some really quick main points. You can read it on your own, of course, and then discuss the grading structure as well as the schedule. So let's get started. So if you're listening to this video, I'm assuming that you already know how to get to this class, but just in case you don't, I will just go over that. So here is what it looks like when you log into D2L. There'll be something here. I don't know. It'll be different for students as opposed to for instructors. So then, of course, you pick the class. This class, for example, I mean, if you want to go to another different class, and you pick that class out of your list. But this is where I want to go. And what I first want to introduce you to, and obviously you've already found this if you are running this video, but I do still want to point out that there's always going to be a news feed, and it's not going to look like this when you first log in, so don't be confused. I'm still building this news feed as I speak. One of the things that I'm building is this particular video. So there'll be a link. This video will be here, and you'll be able to watch it. And that isn't there yet. But when you get to it tomorrow, it will be there. Anyway, so I did want to point out that I will have news feeds regularly. And then I also want to go over to click on the discussion portion of D2L, and you can see there's a number of different modules here. What I want to make sure that you see is that in this module here, there is links to get to the syllabus and the schedule. But in addition to that, we can go back to the news feed up here. I can just click on that. And right here is a link to the syllabus and then also the schedule. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the syllabus so that you can see that. Okay. And here is my syllabus. And then to download it, you can click right here and it will open up in Word. So here is my syllabus that I've opened up in Word. And so, oops. Anyway, you can scroll down and read it, of course. And here's the table of contents. And the thing I want to make sure that you know is that if you wanted to do anything, like go to any of these topics, you can just put your mouse cursor over it, hit the control key, and then click, and it will take you to that particular topic. And so anyway, I'm going to scroll up here a little bit, just a little bit, and go back to the table of contents so you can see it again, and so you can see. And so here is information, the introductory information about this course. And here's how to email me. I encourage you to email me via D2L and not my front range email, although you can. It's just that it's fast. The message gets faster to me if you email me in D2L. And so then I want to point out that in this class, I have three goals. One is you learn the mechanics, and then the two is learning to apply it, and hopefully that you become a better student. Okay. And here's about getting the materials for the course. You will need to purchase those in order to be successful in the class. And here's some important dates, and I encourage you to go over those and read them. And then, and it is important for you to be aware that you do need to submit something like do your syllabus quiz before the due date, so that you can be marked as a student in this class. So just want to make sure you're aware of that. And then coming down a little bit, I really want to point out the structure of this the grading. And so I want to make sure that you read over that in detail and understand it well. And if you have any questions, certainly make sure to ask. So now I want to go back over to the news feed, and I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to go to the schedule. And so I'm going to click on here for the link for the schedule, and you would click on download because this is an Excel file. And this is basically what it looks like. And so you'll notice many of the due dates are on Mondays, and later in the semester they'll be on Wednesdays. But you can see what the topics are that we're going to be talking about, and also the assignments, and then what's due is over here. So anyway, I want to go back now and just say again, welcome. And I'm glad you're taking this course. And certainly if you have any questions, just ask. And remember, always go to the news feed for updates on things. So see you in the next video.